I think it's time for another challenge.
A challenge? Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. I'm Kevin, this is Grace for The Stories. We're comparing Kenyan and American culture to see what's different, but also what's similar. And apparently Grace is challenging me? A Kenyan challenge? So what's going on?
It involves food.
Oh, well, okay, I'm in. What is it?
So I'm gonna make you try a Kenyan meal.
Okay,
Kenyan popular meal.
that's great.
All the instructions are gonna be in Swahili.
Wait, I thought I was just gonna eat this. You were gonna
No,
make something.
you're making a Kenyan meal, and there's a recipe that's in Swahili.
Oh, that's the challenge. The challenge
the
isn't,
challenge.
You're not gonna make me something that I'm gonna have to sit down and eat. That's not the challenge.
You'll eat it after, but no.
The challenge is I'm gonna have to make it. I'll only get to eat it if I make it right.
Hopefully, yes.
Okay. All right. And so all the instructions are in Swahili. You're gonna say them to me
Yeah,
as we
I'm
go.
gonna read them out to you.
Okay, and I'm gonna have to
Swahili.
figure out what it is you're trying to say.
Right.
Okay. I guess we should go to the kitchen then, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see you over there.
Bye.
I'm ready for my challenge. Let's go. So you're gonna have me get all the ingredients first.
Yeah. Number 1, kijiko moja ya mafuta.
Okay, so one something. Mafuta. One, is it flour? What else could I have one something of? Is it in the fridge?
No,
Mafuta.
they use it to make chapati.
It's not flour. Oh, is it oil? Eh.
Kitunguu moja. Kitunguu saumu pande mbili.
I know that's this.
Pilipili hoho.
Pili pili ho ho. That I know is in the fridge.
Nyanya mbili.
Eh.
Dania ama giligilani.
I know what dania is. Dania. What was the rest of that?
Ama is R. So this is why. Kikombe moja ya maharagwe.
Agua means water in Spanish.
There's no water there. Maharagwe.
Maharagwe.
Yeah.
Oh, haragwe. Is it beans? Ah.
How did you guess that? And then kikombe moja ya mahindi.
No, wait, don't tell me. Is it a spice?
No.
Okay, that was my first thought. Mahindi. Is it corn flour? Cornmeal? No. Oh, it is. It's corn. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Binzari.
Beanzari. Curry powder?
Yes.
Oh, for real?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay.
Pilimanga nyeusi.
Is that just plain paprika or is it smoked? Oh, it's neither. It's the chili peppers.
No.
What? Wait, those are all the pili pili ones, though. Black pepper.
Yes. And then the favorite, pilipili mbuzi.
Oh, is that chili? Chili pepper?
Yeah. Chumvi.
Chumvi. Salt?
Yeah. Shit. Sufuria.
Okay. Eh?
Alright, so kata vitunguu, nyanya, pilipili hoho, kitunguu saumu.
So, I have my kata board. So Moja,
Yeah.
are we talking about tacos again?
Oh my god.
What?
I'm gonna...
Oh yeah, that's really gonna help me.
Oh my god.
What? What's wrong?
No comments.
I'll be less particular. We're just gonna throw all this into the sufuria, yeah? Sufuria.
It's not...
These are very
There's
nice.
no soup or sauce, as you call it.
These are very fresh tomatoes.
Yeah.
Where did they come from? New Jersey? So all of this is gonna go in the pot?
Yeah. Weka mafuta kwanza.
Oh,
Kwanza.
Kwanzaa. Mm-hmm. Hey. What did you say? What's the word?
Kijiko moja.
Kijiko moja. I would say that's about that. Heat.
Yeah.
You need to just speak Swahili. You can't. This is the challenge for you.
Osha maragwe na mahindi. You just osha the nyanyas.
Oh. Huh?
Yes. Osha is to wash.
No, I know. But you don't want this?
Yeah.
This first?
Yes.
Kwanzaa?
Yes.
Kwanzaa. Other really, I don't know. I'm also hungry, so.
Okay. Acha ipike dakika 5.
Now my instinct would be to throw salt on this, but you want me to wait?
You can, yeah. Chumbi.
Chumbi? Chumbi.
Chumbi.
Chum?
B. Chumbi.
C-H-U-M? Chum?
Yeah, chumbi.
Yeah, I'm just asking if there's an M.
Yeah.
Chumbi. Chumbi. Okay. Now, the Mahindi and Maharagwe.
Yeah.
Harangwe? Maharagwe. I'm gonna OSHA them together or separate?
You can.
Okay. I need to, before I can OSHA them, I have to open them.
Yes, that's a good idea.
Yeah, you didn't give me that instruction.
Oh, sungua, diesel.
Okay. Can you feel the beans tonight? What? Nina OSHA? Namaji?
Yeah.
Nah? What? I get my
Yeah,
articles.
water.
Water. Is the thing that I'm doing is kupika. So Nina Pika. Leo Nina Pika. Joni.
Unapika?
Hey.
Yes.
Hey, welcome to Kevin's Swahili Kitchen. Today we're cooking a little stew. I guess it's not a stew though. I've been told that what we're cooking is something that's not a stew.
What is it called?
Still don't know what it is. Oh, did you tell me what it's called?
Yes.
Oh yeah, giveri.
Yeah.
I don't know why I have to say it like that. Giveri. See, this is gorgeous.
Oh, did you have garlic?
Hey! You mean somu?
Kichungu samu. Oh, you could use a garlic powder if it's too.
No. This will not do. Hey.
So much on the side.
Hey. Una pica? Habana.
What's wrong with you?
Trying to fit in here.
Oh
I don't know.
Ay, ay.
All right, this is looking pretty darn good. What is the next step? Oh, Swahili girl.
Like maragwe na mahindi. What is forget?
Mahindi. Corn is Mahindi.
Yeah.
See, I just thought you called it maize, and that was it.
It's English.
Well, I know, but because maize
Oh,
slash corn
I don't
comes
know.
from the Americas. You know what I mean?
It's actually maize. I don't know what corn is and stuff. Oh, it's coming.
You just told me it was Mahindi.
You
Okay.
can add the viungo now.
Viungo.
Yeah.
Viungo.
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 Yeah.
Oh, viungo.
Dania comes later.
Okay. How much?
Kijiko ya chai nusu.
Chai. Isn't that
Kijiko
tea?
ya chai. Yeah.
Am I adding? Oh, a teaspoon. Can I guess or should I measure it?
You can guess.
I can't remember.
Yes. Nusu. Kijiko ya chai nusu.
I feel like that's a lot actually. 1 teaspoon.
Nusu.
Eh?
Nusu.
Oh,
I didn't say moja. I said nusu.
is that half?
Yes.
Well, I can't take any out. Okay, how about Pili Pili and Mbuzi?
I don't know what quota is in Swahili. Duku 22. That's points to 5. What else is left?
Dania and black pepper.
You can actually put paprika. I do like paprika.
We...
Oh my god. It is the kijiko ya chai moja ya paprika. Moja, chai moja.
Chai moja. How do you say how much?
Ngapi.
Ngapi dania.
You'll have to use your instincts in this.
Instincts, huh? I have to use my Swahili instincts?
Yeah, that's it. My instincts are saying that's enough.
I'm sure I'll put it up on the screen, but I guess I should say out loud that dania is cilantro, what we call cilantro in America, and what other people call coriander. Am I? Put me out.
On fire. Hey.
This girl is on fire. Yes, no?
Oh yeah. Yeah, I forgot the.
I was going on instinct.
So, acha ipike dakika 3.
Something about 3.
Pika dakika 3. Funika. Oh my god.
Funika
Yeah.
tatu. Oh, 30?
3.
3. Just 3?
Cook for 3 minutes. And as you're cooking, chukua avocado. It's not going in there tomorrow.
No, I know, but I have to cut an avocado.
You want me to cut it for you?
No, I'm cooking. Avocado.
Ooh, it's a good avocado. Alright, chukua sahani mbili. Sahani?
Sahani. I know what sahani is.
Sahani moja.
Okay. Kata kata?
Yeah, avocado sahani.
Kwa sahani.
Kata avocado.
Yeah. Well, you don't have to tell me.
Wait, what if I said the wrong thing and I'm correcting myself? Like,
I don't know. Great. And is that it?
Yeah.
Are we good?
yes.
Okay. So I'm going to put some of this on that, and that's it.
Yeah.
Ooh. Alright, well here it is, folks. The finished product. This is githeri. That's what I've been told. We have a little avocado on the side, some cilantro here, and now Grace, I think it's incumbent upon you to taste it and see if I've done a good job
Sure.
based on your instructions.
Okay.
Why are you laughing? What's so funny?
It's only because it's hot, but it's really good.
Hot temperature-wise, or?
Spicy and good, yeah.
Oh. All right. Well, I'm gonna give it a try now.
Yeah.
All right. Oh yeah. Oh, this would be so good with rice.
Really?
No?
No.
Why not?
No.
Why?
So, githeri, like for the people from where I come from, Nyoyo, we eat it for breakfast with tea.
Oh.
They can be eaten at any time. And it's normally more drier than this. There are other people who just boil the corn or maize with beans and you dry it and just eat it like that with tea.
Oh, I see.
And so for lunch you can do what you did, or for dinner. Yeah.
Well, so on a scale of 1 to 10, how do you think I did?
I would give you a 10. I would wanna. I wish we had maize, like proper white maize.
Yeah.
Call it.
Well, we can.
It tastes even better, but it's good.
We'll find that for you. Don't you worry. There's maize all over this country. All right, folks. Well, we want to know what's a Swahili dish that you like to prepare. Maybe there's something else you would have chosen to give me as a challenge, or maybe there's something you think that I should try to make and have Grace here give me instructions in Swahili. Although you kept wanting to speak English, so
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Yeah. So be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell to get our notifications, and leave a comment down below. Let us know where you're watching from and all that. And until next time, Harry.
Bye.
While others may be rich of pocket, we are rich of heart.